Welcome to my YouTube channel, Grow with Google Cloud.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about how we'll deploy n8n workflow on Cloud Run. So, my previous video I was explaining about the quick easy mode deployment of n8n on Cloud Run. That was for the demo purpose. But if you want a production ready n8n AI workflow, so how to deploy? So today I'm going to show you the quick demo how you will be ready with your production grade deployment of n8n on Google Cloud. It includes the resource such as database for persistence and secret manager for sensitive data. So that I'll be going to show you the quick demo. So first of all, we want to enable the quick the service need to be enable the API. So this is a three API need to be enabled for SQL admin, secret manager, and cloud run API. So once three API is enabled, so permission related issue. So let me quickly check that. As you can see now, the Cloud SQL instance is ready, right? So now the next step is to create a users to log in. The next step is to create a database. So let me create a database over here. Cloud SQL database create n8n and instance n8n db instance name, and the which db you are going to create, you have to put the name. Creating a SQL database which is n8n. Let me clear it. Now let me create a user with the password, login password. This is gcloud SQL user. Create n8n user and password is n8n created. So let me quickly check my I'm able to log in or not. For the new user n8n database, and the username is n8n users and password is n8n. Authenticate. You see my DB created successfully, right? So now my very next step to create a secret. This is the gcloud command and secrets. Create an n8n database password and replication policy is automatic. Again, you created a new one. Let me refresh. Let me refresh it again. n8n db password created the secret. Okay. Now very next step to uh, encrypt the password, and again create an n8n encryption key. Let me refresh. See already my encrypted key is also created. Encrypted. Now what I'll do, go for service account creation. Let me create a service account. My service account created, and then let me provide the respective permission to the service account to my secret. All respective permission provided, right? Now my very next step, to deploy the Cloud SQL instance. The cloud run deploy n8n. Now all done, deployment successfully done, right? So now quickly check. As you can see, my n8n workflow is ready, and it's successfully connected with this database. It's my database n8n. Then user is n8n user, and password is n8n authenticate. So my n8n DB is connected, right? So here my deployment successfully done. Let me register here, and let me put some dummy password. Created a password now. Now my setup should be done. Yeah, now if you want to put some of the value over here, this is a customized value. If not, you can directly start skip all these thing and start. Now all set. Now we can create a workflow. So as soon as you click on create workflow, AI agent, AI agent, and then you put something like, execute. Then what we'll do, we'll create a Google Gemini chat model we want to connect. So here we need a credential. So let me find the API key here, copy the API key, and I just want to put over here and then save it. Testing connection successful. Now what I can do here, so I just want to put some of the query like, hi, can you find some good good place to travel in Pune, something like that I want to ask. See, the process started. Now my AI agent prompt routing to the my Gemini model, LLM model, and I should get a response. So you can see I got the response here, uh, right? And the output can be changed. Like if I want to change my output, something like okay, so here my output I want to change like something. Setting output that. So here you can see the output just bit changes. Here you see historical cultural gems, Lala Mall, Aga Khana Place, and all these uh, historical place for food shopping hub, Koregaon Park, and all informative details which I got as for my prompt. Okay, so let me wrap up. Let me explain what I did in this video. In this video, first I created, provided to enable a required API enable related to Cloud Run and Cloud SQL and Secret Manager. Then what I did, I create a Cloud SQL instance, and then what I did, I create a SQL users and password, and then I created a secret manager, uh, created and then encrypted that, and then I created a service account, and that service account, we respective service account, we provided that service account uh, to a secret manager to provide the secret manager secret access accessory, and also add all these policy to the service account, Cloud SQL client rule. Then lastly, deploy into the Cloud Run. My Cloud Run is successfully deployed. I want to show you Cloud Run as well. Cloud Run, as you can see, my Cloud Run deployed here, successfully deployed. If you access here this URL, you can able to access it. And what all are environment variables set in this, you can check here. The variables and secret, n8n port 56 and 78, and n8n protocol HTTPS, DB type PostgreSDB, and DB Postgres database, and n8n, and Postgres user, n8n user, and Postgres host. And this is the endpoint, and then Postgres port number, and then Postgres schema public, and the quick health check is active. This is the environment variable was the mandatory to set up. So whenever I just put this command, all this environment variable, I just you can see all the environment variable mentioned here, right? And then uh, here you can also check, and then successfully deployed here. And then if you are able to access this URL, you can able to access the n8n workflow. So this is one. So this is all about this video. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel.
Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Looking forward to see you in the next video.